Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Wild Rift stuck in the loading screen. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. Just turn off and turn on the airplane mode, then also turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi connection. So make sure you do it correctly. After that you have to check whether it is working or not. If it's still loading, then you have to tap and hold the application, then go to the app info button. Now toggle on managed unused apps, then at the third option tap on the data uses. Now find WLAN option, then toggle off it and toggle on it. Okay, that's it. Now again remove the overlay apps. Okay, like that I'm doing it. Then you can just go to the application again to see if it's working or not, and let's see if it still stuck on the loading screen or not. Okay, it's loading, you can see. Let's see what happens. Okay, I think it's not stuck anymore, and that's it. Subscribe to my channel if this video helped you. Thank you.